This fruit is from cactus?
Yep. Dragon fruit grows on a cactus. It climbs like a vine, stretches out its arms and boom. Right at the edge, it gives you this magical-looking fruit. They grow on crazy cactus arms like this. Would you have guessed? Each fruit pops out right at the very tip, like the cactus is reaching out to hand it to you. It starts small, hiding quietly on the edge of the cactus, then it swells and bursts into a giant bloom. The flower closes, dries up, and right in its place, it starts turning into this, a giant green, dragon-scaled orb. Bit by bit, the green fades and that tough skin blushes into a bold, fiery red. One touch and you know it's time to harvest the dragon. Sure, dragon fruit is delicious. But did you know the plant it grows on, this wild, spiky cactus, can actually guard your home too? So if you line your fences or walls with them, it's like adding nature's barbed wire with snacks on it. Sweet fruit for you and a pokey nope for unwanted guests. Now that's multi-purpose gardening. No pesticides, no fertilizers, just sunshine, air, and a little support. Basically the most chill bodyguard your garden can have. Delicious, protective, drama-free. Get yourself a dragon fruit cactus. It's security, with benefits.